I'm going to count these leads in real time for you. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Close actually opted in. And I wish I could show you the activity, but they're opening my emails, they're engaging, corresponding, and I've had sales out of that. I'll get to that in a moment.
Welcome to Scaleup, the dynamic platform for business owners, startups, and entrepreneurs looking to expand their reach and grow their business. Scaleup is designed to help you promote your service, product, or business opportunity with ease. By creating engaging posts, you can increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, and generate valuable leads. And the best part? It's absolutely free. Whether you're a home business owner, a startup, or an established venture, Scaleup provides the tools you need to connect with potential clients and expand your network. Creating a post is simple. Draft your message, add an image, and choose your target audience. Scaleup's user-friendly interface makes it easy to get started. In a short time, your content will reach thousands of potential customers. On Scaleup, not only can you promote your company, but you can also earn while doing so. Referring others leads to generous bonuses, and active members compete for cash prizes in regular contests. Scaleup is your gateway to greater visibility and growth. Visit scaleup.com, create a free account, and join our community of thriving businesses.
Hey guys, this is Trey. Real quick, I just did my numbers on this new scale-up opportunity. I've been testing this. I've finally taken time to do a little bit of research on the data that I've been testing so far, and I am absolutely amazed. And I had to shoot this video to give you all not only an update, but to share with you the results I'm getting so far. Now, first of all, let me start by saying that this is a disclaimer. I cannot guarantee what your results will be. Results tend to vary depending upon how people market and how they go about their business. But this is real time. This is real accurate information of what I've done so far. And I always pride myself on trying to be as honest and transparent with you all as possible to let you know the real deal behind what works, what does not work, the good, the bad, the pros and cons of everything. So I'm gonna do that here. But let me start with the numbers. I started on the 17th of January. I got it through one of my systems. I said, let me test it out because I'd have a lot of people that need free traffic and so forth. So as you can see, I started it on the 17th based on my numbers. And this is the platform I use to track and to trace all my websites. I have 84 clicks, but 66 unique. That's the main number because, sometimes they're repeat clicks and all those different things. So I have 66. That includes me setting up things on my end. And all of that. So let me share with you what I have through Scaleup. Through Scaleup, I'm going to go to my posts overall. All right, and in this column, as you can see, the total amount, this is the number I want you to pay close attention to. 1,900, almost 2,000 impressions, but 60. 60 is the number of people who actually clicked on my link and went to my website. Okay. It's very accurate to what I have. I had 66, I believe. Yeah, 66 clicks. They have 60. So first of all, those numbers pretty much are accurate. Based on my opinion, that tends to produce a little bit of cohesion between the platform that they're using and actually what I'm tracking. So that's always a good sign. But this is what really blew my mind. I should have showed my email, but I'm just going to do it in my Aweber. As you can see, I started on the 17th. I'm going to count these leads in real time for you. The first one doesn't count. That was me testing everything. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. There it is, 45. As of today is the 28th. So 45 leads from that 60. Now let me put that in perspective for you. That means out of the 60 people who clicked on my link to go to my website, as I bring up my calculator, that 48, 45, I forgot what the number was that quick. Let's just say 45. I can't remember what it was. 45 of those actually opted in, and I wish I could show you the activity, but they're opening my emails, they're engaging, corresponding, and I've had sales out of that. I'll get to that in a moment. But let's break these numbers down. 60, take the number 60 and I divide that by 75%. There it is. That means a 75% opt-in rate. That's absolutely crazy. For those of you familiar with solo ads, that's unheard of to have that high of an opt-in rate, which is really the main goal that you want to focus on when you're advertising, is to get people to engage, to open your email, your content, so that you can develop that relationship and that rapport with them. And out of that 45, I've had at least 9 sales of the system that I'm promoting without me even being involved. So if I break those numbers down even more, I'm estimating that's probably about 20%. Absolutely, it's 20% of actually a close or a sales ratio based on the product that I provide. Now, is that going to happen all the time? No. But the point is, I've had great engagements. I've had leads show up on my list. Those people are on my list now, and I can continue to engage with them and had some great dialogue so far. And I've generated an income. Let's do the math on that. The product I'm producing is $5, so I've earned $45 from that. If I go here through Scaleup so far, and I'm not going to break these numbers down, see one of my other videos to see how we've gotten here. But here it is. I have earned $36 so far from this platform. So if I add the 36 here, I've only invested $20 because I purchased more credits. So I've already earned a profit of about $60 plus 45 leads, plus an opportunity to continue to build and add more posts, which I have not had a chance to do yet, from a free system. So this is really, to me, a game changer for those who have a minimal budget. This is a great opportunity for you to engage in dialogue with real people, build your following, build your list, provide value, provide something of substance to them so that you can begin to build and grow your business no matter what you're promoting. I'm adding it to one of the new systems that I'm building for my team because this is a great way for us to engage with like-minded people. But I highly encourage you to take this opportunity serious and give this scale-up opportunity a chance to be a part of your marketing game, okay? So that's it. I just wanted to make this real brief. That really kind of was eye-opening for me because very rarely have I come across a free marketing system or a free traffic program that produces this well. So hope this helps you all get a better idea of how this system works, the potential that's there. Be responsible in your marketing, but take advantage of this opportunity and make Scaleup a part of your game plan, okay? All right, thanks for your time. I hope this helped you. If so, like, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll try to provide more content for you. All right, that's my time. Take care. We'll talk later. Bye-bye.